friends, I am Akshita Pramod Kolap, a final year electronics and telecommunication engineering student from Amrutvani College of Engineering, Sangamner, where the whole world is facing a huge issue, which is coronavirus. This pandemic has brought many challenges for humans to get out of this. But the biggest issue which students are having is to complete our academic activities during the lockdown, where the entire education system is in dilemma how to make out through this and make the students learn even during the lockdown. But our institute has successfully providing us the online resources. I am really thankful to my institute, my head of department Dr. R.P. Labre ma'am, and all my teachers for continuously arranging various webinars and online exams for completing our academic needs. Being a final year student, our project is very important part of our studies. We have been regularly guided by our teachers, our project guide, and our project coordinator for completing our project, as well as for evaluation for the second stage, the conduction of online meeting in the presence of industrial expert was done. We were evaluated for the same on the basis on what we have presented to our PPTs and the online questionnaires which was done for the oral exam. Even our class teacher is keeping record of every student by calling their parents personally, whether the students are performing their studies being home and staying home safe. This pandemic is something that we have never seen or neither heard about. This is a first time experience for all of us. This is a fearful condition for all, as the situation like this disturbs mental health of a person. Our department is continuously arranging motivational lectures and also the sessions which guides us in the way so as to prevent ourselves and be safe from the virus. As we all know, during this virus time, the biggest issue for all of us is to save our jobs. We, the final year students, at the first stage to enter the professional lives. Our training and placement cell is actively performing their jobs and getting the student placed in the reputational organizations with a good salary. And working, it happens by arranging guidance of webinars by the industrial experts as well as the professionals from the industries by taking the online aptitude test and giving various resources which can boost the morale of students and also make them skillful to be a good professional. At the end, I am really thankful to all my institute for doing all this for us during the lockdown. For adding this, I would like to say time is something which keeps us challenging all the time. But we, being positive, can make out of this. We are united against this virus. But for this, we have to be positive. To make out of this, we have to stay home and stay safe. Thank you.